Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Reolink Argus PT for a review. Argus PT can work without any cables thanks to rechargeable battery and Wi-Fi connection. Free from viewing hassles, you can mount this battery-operated security camera anywhere to have ultra-wide viewing angle backed by unique 355 pan and 114 tilt design. Set it up in seconds and enjoy the peace of mind of conveniences Argus PT brings you. It is compatible with the Reolink Solar Panel for complete autonomy. Argus PT can turn its head 355 horizontally and 114 vertically, which offers an enormous viewing angle. Your right front porch or store can be covered with only one wireless PT battery-powered IP camera. With easy directional control on a Reolink app, you can get an overview of your whole world instantly just by taking a glance at your mobile phone. Argus PT delivers exceptional visual performance backed by a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor, capturing quite clearly and smoother videos than 1720p cameras. Even at night, with advanced starlight technology, it can see through the dark up to 33 feet in very low light conditions. Under the keep eye of the wire-free battery-operated cameras, crimes have nowhere to hide. Argus PT comes with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, self-powered so it can work without power cables and run well during a blackout. Battery comes with the camera and is non-removable. You can charge Argus PT with the Reolink Solar Panel. Connect the Reolink camera with the Reolink Solar Panel to give you complete autonomy. It is an endless source of energy, making the camera environmentally friendly at the same time economically. Reolink Solar Panel helps the camera to work non-stop. It is easily mounted on the wall and utilizes solar energy to the maximum. Big savings both environmentally and economically. Argus PT has a smart PIR motion detection. You'll be alerted the instant built-in PIR sensor detects movements. Then access your camera, see what's happening and take action in time. By setting up motion sensitivity and PIR schedule, you can make the cam smarter to catch what really matters. Argus PT has also live view and two-way audio. The wire-free battery-operated Argus PT is not only an extra eye for you, but also an ear and a mouth. You can live stream your home or business, hear what's happening and even talk to your kids, staff or mailman with a built-in microphone and speaker. Get fully involved when you're not there via your iOS and Android mobile device or PC, anywhere and anytime. When Argus PT detects a motion event, it starts to record and then saves these clips in micro SD card and Reolink Cloud. Miss a thing? It's okay. With the intuitive timeline design in Reolink app or client, you can easily pinpoint the video recording of interest and replay it. It can be easier to control a security camera that works with Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google, show me the backyard," and you will see live feed from the camera on your Google Nest Hub or Homecast-enabled TVs. Action speaks louder than words. No, words are enough. The Argus PT is an excellent camera. As a consumer product, the model has everything necessary to get the camera up and running in a matter of minutes, even without any technical skills. Quality-wise, the video recorded by their camera is comparable to some professional high-end products that cost thousands of dollars. I consider the Reolink Argus PT camera an inexpensive and easy to set up a product that can deliver high quality video. The product has designed with a lot of interesting features and can easily integrate with new platforms. I hope the review can help you make up your mind and take the right decision. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!